Melissa. I'm Dan. Nice to meet you. Phil, good to meet you. If you're ready, I'll let you come this way.
When contemplating a divorce or separation, a couple has choices. Mediation is a choice that provides a less contentious, more affordable, and family-friendly option than hiring attorneys or going to court.
I'm attorney and mediator Daniel Burns. In 1996, after spending 15 years as a divorce attorney, I converted my practice to divorce mediation. Since that time, I have helped over 1,500 couples get a legal separation or a divorce without a court battle between attorneys. Divorce mediation is a process that allows a third-party neutral, a mediator, to work with a couple to develop a settlement agreement that works for each of them. Unlike litigation, which requires you to establish hard positions that often lead to hard feelings, mediation allows you to focus on your interests and your goals so that you can create an agreement that is fair to each of you and to your children. My role in the process is to provide you with all of the legal and financial information you will need to make an informed decision. I do this by first providing each of you with a copy of a mediation workbook that I've developed. This booklet contains all of the financial information you will need to bring to each mediation session, a section on children and parenting, and a law summary that will allow you to be familiar with the legal issues you will face. Once you have gathered all the financial information together, I will sit and work with the two of you to develop an agreement on how you will divide all of your assets and liabilities. Included will be a provision on what you will do with your house, your pension, your bank accounts, and your other assets, along with how each of you will pay your bills in the future. We will also discuss and decide how you will parent your children and how you will support them. Finally, we will make sure each of you is able to support yourself as you move forward. Once an agreement is reached that resolves all of these issues, I will prepare all of the legal documents that you will need. You can sign everything here in my office, and I will file everything on your behalf. In fact, there is no reason for either of you to ever have to personally appear in court. Many of the couples I work with do not get along particularly well, yet they realize that it is in their best interest to reach an agreement that is fair to each of them, rather than let judges and lawyers make these decisions for them. If all of this makes sense and you'd like to meet with me, call to schedule a consultation appointment. It will only take about 30 minutes and there is no charge for that appointment. The only requirement is for the two of you to come in together and be willing to work together to reach an agreement that works for each of you.